Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.01798 mark, and a break above that with a successful retest, then we can easily see Vechain get above the $0.02 mark. You can also see that on the charts for the past few days we had been seeing these bounce to the upper side, breaking above that key area of resistance. We saw a number of 1-hour closes above that key area of resistance, but you can see that after flipping that key area of resistance into support, we were not able to hold above it, and at some point we saw a break to the lower side, and after seeing that breakdown, you can see that you have been seeing much of a rejection here on the charts. And Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, which is still suggesting that there are high chances that Vechain will continue gearing up. And zooming out on the charts to give you my short-term Elliot analysis, you can see that Vechain gave us a bear market low at around the $0.01316 mark, and then afterwards we started gearing up, where we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.021 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this target, that is this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized, and there are high chances that we also have a low in place for the second wave, and we might continue reacting to the target area and see that massive surge in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And to also give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis here on the Vechain chart, I will be jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis, where you can see that after seeing these lows in 2020, we saw that massive pump in the bull market, giving us an all-time high above the $0.28 mark in a move that I'm terming as the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, and there are also high chances that we now have a low in place for this second wave. And in the next coming months, we might continue gearing up and get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then the wave 5 to the upper side. And these are the waves that I'm expecting once the bull market starts. And before all that plays out, we first need to see a number of confirmations on the lower time frames, where we need to see a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, followed by an ABC corrective structure, and such a movement on the lower time frames that would be suggesting that a more impulsive move is starting on the lower time frames, where we can expect new highs and maybe also get to the all-time high. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term, and I hope that video was of much help to you. And if it was, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.